Everybody, welcome back to Big Bear Life. Been a long time no see. Um, kind of changes in my life and living out here in the country now. Woo, yeah, for at least a few months. Um, I am right now trying to put together some highlights of watching hummingbirds on my little porch here. So, this is going to be a compilation of hummingbirds don't stand still very long. So this is going to be a compilation of a few little videos, and hopefully I'm going to catch some active hummingbees here shortly. And we have one that likes to come and it talks to me. It little peep, and likes to chirp a little bit, and but they have. I just filled these bird feeders, and they're just about half empty now. So I'm gonna guess another job on the old slate to clean them up a little bit and put some more food in there. But I'm going to take some videos out my front window here. I live way out in the country in a nice little retreat, and the hummingbirds love the nectar. So I'm going to try to put this together now. That is one of my hummingbirds. I can't tell from right here just because it's backlit, but it looks like a ruby throat. And they are tiny little birds, if you don't know hummingbirds, and they just drink sugar nectar. Beep, beep. And he's hanging out for a good long time. Hasn't come in for any drinking yet. I guess he's checking to make sure that the coast is clear. Oh, he's taking a little bath. Getting cleaned up, getting spruced up. This is the longest I've ever seen one sit. I don't know where they roost. I don't know where their nests are. Oh, he's gone. Very contented to just land and drink. This was just a little short video, little snippets here and there of the hummingbirds. A lot of times, the second I tried to film them, they would fly away. So, just a little bit of Big Bear's life. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the hummingbird video. Thank you. Bye.